My dearest Richard, today standing here with you, I am overwhelmed with excitement, gratitude, and joy. You are my best friend, partner in crime, soulmate, and my greatest love. You have changed my life in the best way, and I will never be the same after being loved by you. You have shown me a love that is kind, patient, adventurous, and unwavering. When I am with you, I feel safe, at home, and that I can be my true self. I vow to cherish you every day, support you in all of your endeavors, be your biggest cheerleader in every part of life, and celebrate all of your successes, big and small.
Megan, after a long study session in the library at Paris, it's crazy to think how far we have come. With that, I stand here today, promising to always be your sanctuary in the storm, to be your rock and your protector, to be your best friend through the thick and thin, through every adventure. I vow to love you with all my heart unconditionally, through the good times and the bad times, through sickness and health, to choose you every day and to cherish you.
Today and every day, I give you my heart, my soul, and my unwavering commitment. I choose you now and forever as my partner, my love, my best friend, and my husband. I love you unconditionally, and I'm honored to become your wife. Here's to our forever. With love, Megan.
I vow to be the husband and father who will lead this union through faith and example, to be the provider and the giver, to be faithful, and to place you and our family above all else. Megan, you are the love of my life and make me a better person. I know you'll be an amazing wife and a mother to 9 children. I am truly the luckiest man alive. Will you be my wife?
Now that Megan and Richard have pledged themselves to each other with their vows and exchanged rings, it is my great joy and honor to pronounce to you, husband and wife, congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Young!
It's a perfect story with you and me. We're like 1,000 voices, all in harmony. Oh, I gotta just say
it was in that moment that I knew that these two would be together forever. I mean, it was just beautiful to see the patience, the perseverance. I knew that Richard had all the qualities that Megan deserved in her life. And I cannot wait to be Auntie Alicia to all the little Youngs in the future. I love you guys. Cheers.
Together, you two are truly something special. You balance each other, challenge each other, and bring out the best in one another. It's not just love, it's friendship, partnership, and so much laughter. So here's my wish to you both. May your life be filled with joy, with silly moments and steady love, with adventures and quiet evenings. And may you never stop finding reasons to smile, maybe even with one eye closed.
every minute, every hour, every
Megan, welcome to the family. May you two live a long, peaceful, and fulfilling life together. To Mr. and Mrs. Young.
And my life, Richie's been a very good role model, and he's conditioned me to be the best person that I could be. The way that he looks at her and she looks at him were the looks that you do deserve and long for in life. For that, you guys are the best. Other than that, there's a lot more stories you guys can hear later, but for now, we're gonna keep it at that. Appreciate it. Thank you.